A big welcome to all those that have joined the Social Housing Data Network. The aim of the group is to improve data in social housing through collaboration and sharing of good practice. Today's theme is all around tenant satisfaction measures. So what I'll be discussing is some of the key findings from the first ever returns, some key driver analysis that sits behind this data, and then getting into some performance improvements. So just some key facts, and this is based on 206 housing providers, mainly housing associations. Overall satisfaction and repairs and maintenance is at 75%, as the median. Some good news here is that the big six compliance, in terms of the median, are all sitting at 100%. Interestingly enough, one that I've picked out here is complaints handling as a median at 39%, which seems really low. So just some key findings then. So we split some of the results between large, medium, and small HAs. And for overall satisfaction, as you can see here, the smaller the organisation, the better the results. And we're finding similar findings with repairs and maintenance as well. Don't know why this is, and something that we're going to look into a bit more detail. It could be down to lower volumes, but still, you have to manage those repairs. Some key influences. So what we've found then is that overall repairs and maintenance satisfaction, if it increases, overall satisfaction will increase as well. Again, this has been talked about, and we've actually found this through our key influencer study. Another interesting one here is when a landlord's approach to complaints handling increases, overall satisfaction also increases as well. So it really goes to show that any work that you're doing around improving process and systems for complaints and streamlining it and making it a better experience will have an impact on overall satisfaction. So just to get into some performance improvements, if you look at complaints, and I've been looking at a number of complaints in housing associations, what you'll find is the majority of those are going to be based around repairs. So our recommendation is to get ahead of the game, start reviewing some of your processes. One that I'm highlighting here is for an organisation where before all works were treated separately. So if there was multiple jobs for that one property, they'd all be recorded separately. So you'd constantly be finding repairs being open and closed, and there'd be a lack of visibility for tenants. Afterwards, what they decided to do was ring fence the repair job for that property. So if there were multiple trades, it would be all under that one job. Set up a working party to monitor this, some bespoke data and dashboards behind it, and then starting improving the process through specialist QA roles. So again, to get ahead of the game, what we recommend is that you start doing some machine learning. And these are the four types of experiments that you can do. The ones that would be quite interesting here is regression. So finding out a numerical value for what the cost of repairs are going to be like in the future. Forecasting, so this could be used for the likes of which properties potentially could fall into damp and mold issues. And through using machine learning, you can actually start predicting which properties will need a repair. So potentially this might resolve some of the issues with lack of satisfaction and with repairs by doing some more proactive work. In order to do this, what we recommend is that organisations move towards this type of approach where you create a one-lake warehouse. You then start doing some work behind it with cleaning that data up, putting it into these types of data sets, which are KQL, an event house, and also putting some triggers and live real-time analysis in here as well. And that's it for me. Really welcome people's feedback on this and some more comments, also hopefully in the posts.